Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Merantau Anglers. Today I'll be fishing at Changi. It's been a long time since we fished because of the circuit breaker, and it's phase 2, and as you can see, it's quite low tide. And today currently there's not much of people fishing. Oh yeah, there's people fishing over there. Let me show you guys. Changi is one of my top favorite place to go fishing. It's close to my area. I just can take bus or drive here. So Mr. Kai, what you doing?
Preparing all the stuff.
Preparing all the stuff. So how many rods do you bring today?
Just what? Chill and relax.
Oh, what do you expect catching today?
Fishing, no expectation. Just enjoy yourself.
Oh, you see, that's the spirit. Relax, chill. If you catch some fish, Alhamdulillah. If you don't catch some fish, try again. Never give up. Keep on fighting. Besar ni ikan ni. It's a big fish.
Dua lah.
Ui. Kali dua. Wah, dua-dua lain-lain. Oh, siapa ni? Siapa ni?
Gambar-gambar, cepat-cepat.
TV ya. Tak nak kalah. Ikan tanda-tanda dengan pusat ni. Second catch of the day. Wow!
Buat sini.
Hat-trick! MVP for today!
Alhamdulillah dapat ikan. Trademark dia kan, kena banyak bersabar. Yuk.
It seems that Kai, this is the 4th catch of today. 5th.
Fish.
This is the 5th catch of today for Kai. What do you feel?
I feel appreciate. Alhamdulillah, rezeki masing-masing. Jadi kalau macam ni kena banyak bersabar lah.
Ikan lagi, ikan apa ni?
Tiga.
Besar.
Dia kena kata dia
Ni ada 5 tau ni. Pilih mana tu kena. Ikan janda, pusat dia. Okay. This is the cameraman. The cameraman of the day. Our cameraman. So what do you think of this fish, Kayum?
You know what they say, patience is a virtue.
You heard that, everybody? Congratulations, my friend.
Ini ada bunyi. Dalam satu kali.
Alhamdulillah, another fish for today. What fish is this? Oh, another eel of the day. So what's up everybody, that's the end of today's activity, and now we are all heading home, and hopefully, inshallah, there will be a big catch coming soon. Stay tuned, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. See you next time.